Hello and welcome to Development Days. My name is Anand. Here I will explain you all the basic concepts of Java. I'm assuming that you have been installed the JDK in your system. Also, you have set the environment path variable into your system. Here we will be doing all the development into the Notepad++ because it will give you clear color combination as well. Okay. In Notepad++, you can also set your language as Java so that it will give you the understanding of this Java language. Okay, before starting Java language, the basic concepts of Java language you have to understand. You do not hype it as a very dangerous thing. You have to just understand it's not. It's just like a normal language, just like we used to speak English, Hindi, any other languages that belongs to real world. So that's like it. You have to understand this is also a language in which you have to do coding. In this language, what you have to do, you have to explain your feelings, your mind sentiments to computer. Okay, so we have to explain in their terms so that they can connect with that. Okay, for that you need to follow some basic syntaxes. Okay, so following that basic syntaxes, you just follow my videos. I will explain you how basic concepts are there, what you have to follow for achieving a good knowledge into Java. Okay, so let me explain you the very basic thing into the Java, which is class. Okay, what is class? Class in Java is the you can say overview of that of your activities what you are going to perform through system through computer. Okay, so class should be written as CLASS. As you all know, I hope the spelling of class. But in that you have to just remember that syntax is case sensitive. Let's suppose if in this if you have to write class and you have written capital C into it, so it will not give you proper understanding. Okay, because system don't understand this word, only system know this word, only system understand CLASS. Class is what he is understanding. Okay, for class, let's suppose I'm taking a class as hotel. Okay, for class hotel you have to give the workspace as well. So I have created one class name as hotel and his workspace is the shared one. Okay, as also you can see that this is the only structure what we have to follow. Okay, let's suppose you have created one hotel. In real world you have created one hotel and some people came to this hotel. So what you will see? Okay, you have not appointed any receptionist or anything. Any reception area is not there. Any rooms is not there. So what he will do? He will come and go because you have not done anything. So first creating an hotel into the machine understanding language, you need to save this file as a .java file into your system. Okay. In my case, I have copied the class name and then what I will do, I will follow this. Okay, and then I will save this file as a named as hotel. Okay, as you can see that the type of that particular class particular file is Java source file. So I do not need to write .java post hotel name. Okay, so what I have done, I am saving this and your hotel is saved. Okay, so let me explain you what it does really. Your class has been created for compiling this class, compiling in the sense approving that system understood your language or not. You need to follow some basic commands, which is java c in small letter space your name of that class, what name you have written, who's that dot. In small you have to write Java. Okay, for compiling you have to just follow the basic convention, which is small Java C space class name dot Java. Class name, whatever name you have given over here now, that name only you have to give. Okay, so they post this I have entered it. Okay, and post entry if it has understood, then it will not give you any error. Okay, for running this particular class, you need to follow some more basic syntaxes, which is Java space your class name. That's it. You do not have to enter anything else for running this hotel. Okay. Let's suppose I'm inaugurating this hotel and I'm running this. What he has told, because system is very smart. He told main method not found in the class hotel. Please define the main method. Main method, what is means? Main method is public static void main string array args. Okay, okay. I will explain you this as well. Okay, but first let me explain you. Let me first minimize this so that you will get the both understandings same. Okay. Okay. So what is this main method? What is that main method system is searching for? Let's suppose you have created a physical world, a real world entity as hotel, and you have not appointed any receptionist. So let's suppose if a person came, how he will get to know in which room is occupied or not, which room you have to take entry. So for that purpose, you need to create a receptionist. Okay, in the class in the system understanding language, that receptionist is public static void main. I will explain you all the basics concept. Okay, string array args. As you can also see that after writing any syntax, many of times I am following this convention as curly braces. Okay, why? Because this is a scope. This is a scope of this particular method. This is a method. Okay, method means apart from class name, there are many other things which I will explain you in nearly future. Okay, so method name is main. What the system will do? System will first, whenever you will follow this convention, na, this with up arrow I have recreated that command. Whenever you will try to compile, whenever you try to explain your concepts to system, na, Java C hotel, then it will what it will do? First, it will search for class. Okay, does that real building exist or not? Okay, what is the name of that building? It does not matter to system. Okay, then is there any reception? If hotel is correct, then does my any receptionist is there who can attend me, who can give answers to my query, is there or not? Okay, it has got its say receptionist. Okay, so it has not given any problem. Okay, let's suppose you have asked, if you have asked your system to react. Okay, let's suppose you want to enter into the hotel. Okay, so you want to run the hotel, Java hotel. Here again, we have main method not defined. Why? Because I have not saved it and then I have not compiled it. Let me recompile it. Okay, and run it. Have you got anything? No. Why? Because this receptionist is not able to speak anything because his boss has not. His boss means you. You have not asked him to say anything. Okay. How he will speak? Let's suppose you have told him that whenever any person came, kindly say namaste to him. Okay. So how he or she will speak? So the concept here is, okay, system, again S is capital, system dot out dot print. Okay, bracket y, this scope of this print. Okay, again print is also a method. Always whenever I will write a method now, it will follow a open and close parenthesis. Okay, so you have to understand this is also a method. Okay, method means system, let's suppose system out, it will speak what is print. It cannot speak and let's suppose system spoke. Okay, so it will speak in byte language or some other language. Okay, so he will not speak, he will write. What he will write? As what you have asked him to write. Let's suppose namaste. Okay, this I want to want my system, my receptionist to save. Okay, then I have saved this file. Again, I have come here, Java C hotel.java. Again, I have compiled. There is no any error. Okay, again I have run it. What he told us namaste. Okay, let's suppose I want my system to say welcome to development days. Okay, I have copied and pasted it. Okay, no worries. Welcome to development days. Okay, I have saved this file. Again, I have what I have done, recompile it. For recompiling, you can see Java C space class name dot Java. Again and again, we are following that thing only. Okay, for running that, for executing this command, this particular class, we have to follow Java space hotel. Okay, I have entered it. It has in one breath he has told us namaste, welcome to development days. Let's suppose we want us to take a break post namaste. Okay, so while printing this, I will ask this system out setup, say this word and please take a pause of new line. Okay, ln. This is ln, new line. It will take a pause of new line. Okay, and then it will again, while taking a pause of new line, it will again print this particular sentence. Okay, so again, what how we will compile? Okay, Java C space class name hotel dot Java. Enter. There is not any error. Run Java space hotel. That's it. Enter. What he has did. Here you can see in one breath he has told you Namaste, welcome to development days. Here he has done this uh, Namaste, and he has taken a break of one line, which is new line, and then he has printed the welcome to development days. Okay, this is what the class is. This is what the method is. What is the process of printing any file into the same line? Is if you want to print a file into same line, it will follow print. If you want to print any content over new line, it will you have to follow print ln. So what till now what we have understood, how to create a class, what is the syntax of class, okay, what is the name of class, any name you can take. Okay, post taking a name you need to create a scope of that. In that scope you need to create one method which is receptionist. Okay, so you don't explain anyone that is it is a receptionist. This is only for your purpose, your understanding purpose. Okay, so this is what this is the main method which is very much important for any Java class. Okay, I will explain you each and everything why we have taken public static void main. But first you have to understand the basics now. First you have to understand the alphabet for that particular language which system will understand. Okay, so here you can see that it is a method whose name is public space static space void space main. Okay, this is also a scope of that method. Okay, in that scope you can give anything. I will explain you this part as well in the very next video. Okay, and the scope of that particular method, and then you have created inside that method you have executed one more method. This method is system created, this method is system created. I will tell you how to create your own method as well. Okay, println method will print you the content whatever you will give him to into the double quotes, and then it will take a break of new line, and then if we have written any next method which is print, then it will print the content into the same line. Okay, this was all what we have understood till now. Okay, in very next lecture we will understand why we have taken public static void main, this thing. Okay, what is the method. In next lecture we will understand what is the variable as well. Okay, later on we will understand why it has string array asks. Okay, each and every step we will let you know. Okay, so be connected with us and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone, thank you for your support.